Now here we have made a small application of D2A cards in which we are running the motor on a timing basis. We are changing the speed as per the time. So I've made a dummy program here in which what we have done is, let's start from the initial. This is A to B card, which is reading the value, so it has nothing to do with that. It is just I'm using the last program. So here from here the program is starting with N1000. I'm doing the mode setting of 0 to 10 volt output. The channel one I'm using, which is connected to my drive, which you can see in the camera and the signal here. And this is the timing value. So what's happening here? Let me just load it now. So this is at the stop state now. M0 is initiating a timer which is at 20 seconds as a preset time. Now at the 5th second, I'm moving the value 1000 in D35, which is my output resistor for this output card, which is giving the which will convert this digital range into voltage. So this is at 5th second, 1000 bits will be going out, which will convert this 1000 bits into 2.5 volt, which will convert the speed into 12.5 hertz. And at 10th second, speed will increase to 25 hertz. At 15th second, speed will increase to 37.5 hertz. At 20th second, speed will increase to 50 hertz, and then timer is reset. So after again 5 seconds, speed will drop down to 12.5 hertz. So let's see that. I'm running the program. So right now my drive is at run state and output frequency 0. So let me just click this one. So now at 5th second, you will see the speed increase to 12.5 hertz and the motor is running, right? At 10th second, it will be to 12.25 hertz, and similarly at 15th second, speed will increase further and then increase further. Right? So that's how we can vary the speed of drive using the same PLC logic. This is one of the examples. So you can make similar examples to change the speed as per your requirement. Or you can change the speed from your HMI touchscreen. You can put this D25 as numeric entry and you can change the speed. So that's just a program to show you how we can change the speed. This is a automatic loop which is changing the speed from 12.5 to 25 to 50, 37.5 and go on. So that's what I'm talking about. So I hope this makes sense. And if you want to see the motor, that is my motor here. You can see moving as per the frequency. You can see the motor here. Alright? Thank you.